Hi there, cuties! Did you know that drawing can train your memory? Also, you exercise your patience by producing something. Try it with me today. Let's create something nice. I'm going to show you how you draw a cute little spooky pumpkin for this year's Halloween celebration. First things first, mark the space you want to place your drawing. Using a grid like this will help you a lot. Start by drawing some lines to place your drawing. Now trace the shape of your pumpkin. Outline a simple shape. The next step, outline a simple stem. Right about here, a simple shape of a stem. Draw some lines as a guide where to place his mouth and his eyes. Trace a long line downwards through the center. Draw ovals at the top of the stem and at the top of the pumpkin. Now make basic shapes of eyes, nose, and the mouth. Now contour the pumpkin. forget about his eyes, his nose, and the mischievous grin. Now add some details for his eyes. The hole in the nose. And add some teeth. And that's it. It's starting to look more put together. Add some details all around. Now all you have to do is contour the pumpkin with your final marker, or you can use a pencil or anything you wish. And there you have it, a cute little pumpkin to impress your friends, your family, anybody you want. Tell me if you like it. Watch until the end and tell me if you tried it.